Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're having an amazing Saturday. I'm making the intake noise clip videos, which I couldn't show you last video, so I came to this very empty parking lot so I don't bother anyone, and I've driven it for a day, I think, so far, and honestly it sounds amazing. And this car is straight piped, which makes it even sound so much better. And as you can see, the coils we put about 5 days ago, they're starting to settle in. So those, I'll make a review video about them too, but it's pretty slammed right now. But yeah, that's how the intake looks. I'm gonna put you guys on this and give you some startup and rev. And yeah guys, that's how the new AEM intake sounds. Let me know in the comments how do you think it sounds. I'll give you guys a drive. Honestly, I think it sounds the best when I'm driving, but when you're revving it, even though this car is APR tuned, but I still have a rev limiter, which sucks. So when I'm driving, I can actually like rev it up, you know, let it rev it high, let it and then like let off the gas, and it does that whole sound, which is amazing. And that's what I want you guys to hear mainly, but that I can't really do unless I'm driving it. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.